If you want to find the best dehydrator for home use, then you really need to consider the size, power, and ease of use. With that in mind, I've spent the last week or so immersing myself in the world of food dehydrators to help you find the best food dehydrator on the market today. Links to each product are in the description box. You'll love the Hamilton Beach Digital Dehydrator's generous 4.2 square feet of drying space. With 5 stackable trays, you can dry large batches of fruits, veggies, and jerky all at once. Plus, the clear lid lets you peek at your creations without disrupting the drying process. The digital controls make operation a breeze. You can set the temperature anywhere from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for drying a wide variety of foods. The 48-hour timer with auto shutoff means you can start a batch before bed without worrying about overcooking. One of the best features, in my opinion, is the even drying provided by the 500-watt base-mounted heater and fan. You won't need to rotate trays during the drying process, saving you time and effort. This consistent airflow ensures your snacks dry uniformly from top to bottom. For added versatility, the dehydrator includes a mesh screen for drying herbs and a solid sheet for making fruit leather. These accessories expand your options beyond basic dried fruits and jerky, allowing you to experiment with different recipes and textures. Cleanup is a snap thanks to the dishwasher-safe trays and lid. The modern gray design looks sleek on your countertop, and non-slip feet keep it stable during use. When not in use, it's compact enough to store in a cabinet or pantry. Next up on my list of food dehydrator reviews is the popular Elite Gourmet EFD 319, which is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start making their own healthy dried snacks at home. This dehydrator gives you the power to create your own preservative-free snacks right in your kitchen. With adjustable temperature settings ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, you can perfectly dry everything from delicate herbs to tougher meats for jerky. The horizontal airflow ensures even heat distribution, so you won't have to worry about constantly rotating trays. You'll appreciate the convenience of the 5 BPA-free trays that come with this unit. They're fully immersible and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after your dehydrating sessions. The large viewing window is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor the drying process without opening the unit and disrupting the temperature. For the health-conscious snacker, this dehydrator is great because you can prepare 100% natural dried fruits, vegetables, and even make your own granola or trail mix without any added sugars or preservatives. It's an excellent way to preserve seasonal produce or take advantage of bulk purchases without worrying about spoilage. Crafters and pet owners will find this dehydrator particularly useful. You can use it to dry flowers for potpourri or create homemade pet treats that are healthier and more cost-effective than store-bought options. The versatility of this machine extends beyond just food preparation, making it a valuable addition to your household appliances. Of course, some people will need a bigger dehydrator than this one, so it's not for everyone. But as a compact starter, the Elite Gourmet is hard to beat. Taking the number 5 spot on my best dehydrator for home use list is the YASHE 12-tray stainless steel dehydrator, which is ideal for those seeking a large capacity food dehydrator. The YASHE dehydrator boasts an impressive 12-tray capacity, perfect for drying large batches of fruits, veggies, meats, and herbs. You'll appreciate the flexibility to preserve your favorite foods in bulk, saving time and energy in the long run. With 10 convenient presets, you can easily dehydrate common items like apples, blueberries, tomatoes, and beef jerky. Don't see a preset for your specific food? No problem. The LED control panel lets you fine-tune the time between 1 and 48 hours and temperature 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your needs. The 850-watt motor and rear-mounted fans ensure even heat distribution throughout the unit. This eliminates the hassle of rotating trays, giving you more consistent results. Plus, the built-in light allows you to check on your food without opening the door and disrupting the drying process. Durability is a key feature of this dehydrator. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but also promises long-lasting performance. Cleanup is a breeze too, as the BPA-free trays are dishwasher safe. You'll find everything you need to get started in the box. Along with the 12 trays, you get 4 mesh screens, a fruit roll sheet, and a recipe book. Thoughtful design elements like bottom cord storage, side handles, and quiet operation make this dehydrator a pleasure to use in your kitchen. Checking in at number 4 is the small yet mighty Cuisinart dehydrator, which I rate as the best small dehydrator on the market today. You'll love this Cuisinart dehydrator for its powerful performance and versatile food preservation capabilities. This Cuisinart food dehydrator packs a punch with its 620-watt motor, ensuring your snacks dry quickly and evenly. You'll appreciate the adjustable thermostat, allowing you to fine-tune the drying process for different foods. Whether you're making beef jerky or drying delicate herbs, you can select the perfect temperature. Even as the best small food dehydrator, the 5 stackable trays give you plenty of room to dry large batches. You'll find it so easy to make your own fruit roll-ups with the included fruit roll sheet. The top venting system promotes consistent air circulation, resulting in uniformly dried foods every time. You'll be impressed by the versatility of this machine. From preserving summer's bounty of fruits and vegetables to crafting homemade dog treats, the possibilities are endless. The dehydrator even works for non-food items too, like drying flowers for potpourri. One of the standout features for me is the fan-only setting. This gentle option is perfect for drying more delicate items without applying heat. You'll find it particularly useful for herbs that might lose their potency at higher temperatures. While the lack of a built-in timer means you'll need to keep an eye on your drying progress, many users find this minor inconvenience outweighed by the dehydrator's overall performance. Plus, the useful clear lid allows you to check on your food without interrupting the drying process. You'll be impressed by the Septree commercial dehydrator's generous capacity. With 10 spacious trays, you can dry large batches of fruits, veggies, meats, and herbs all at once. The 15.6-inch by 15.6-inch stainless steel trays provide ample space to spread out your ingredients, ensuring even drying throughout. Temperature control is right on point with this model because you can adjust settings from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 190 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments, allowing you to find the perfect heat level for different foods. Similarly, the timer function lets you set drying times up to 24 hours, so you can start a batch before bed and wake up to perfectly dehydrated snacks. Noise won't be an issue with this dehydrator. Operating at just 50 decibels, it's quiet enough to run overnight without disturbing your sleep. Also, the glass front door lets you monitor progress without opening the unit and losing heat. Cleanup is a cinch thanks to the removable components. The stainless steel trays and drip tray are dishwasher safe, while the separable electric box allows for easy cleaning of the main unit. You'll appreciate the included accessories like silicone sheets, gloves, and storage containers to get you started right away. Finally, safety features add peace of mind to your dehydrating projects. The auto shutoff function prevents overdrying, while overheat protection safeguards against potential hazards. Now for the runner-up on my list of the best dehydrator reviews, and it's a good one, let me tell you. You'll find the Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator to be a top-notch choice for preserving a variety of foods with its advanced features and spacious design. Available in both 7-tray and 10-tray configurations, the Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator takes your food preservation game to the next level. With its rear-mounted fan, you can say goodbye to the hassle of rotating trays. This clever design ensures even drying across all 7 spacious stainless steel trays, giving you consistent results every time. You'll love the digital thermostat and timer features. They allow you to set the perfect temperature and drying time for your specific needs. Whether you're making beef jerky or drying delicate herbs, you can dial in the exact settings for optimal results. Plus, the automatic shutoff function means you can set it and forget it without worrying about overdrying your food. This dehydrator isn't just about drying, it's about versatility. You'll find mesh trays for smaller items like nuts and herbs, and even fruit leather sheets for making homemade fruit rolls. The possibilities are endless, and you can tackle multiple projects in one go thanks to the generous capacity. Cleaning up after your dehydrating session is super easy too, because the trays and liners are dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. As for the main unit, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it looking pristine. Safety is a top priority with the Magic Mill Pro. It features intelligent overheat protection, giving you peace of mind during operation. The food-grade stainless steel trays are BPA-free, ensuring your dried goodies are as healthy as they are delicious. With this dehydrator, you're investing in a reliable, efficient, and safe appliance that will serve you well for years to come. So, what is the best food dehydrator that you can buy today? In my opinion, the best dehydrator for food is the popular COSORI food dehydrator. You'll love this versatile kitchen gadget for making homemade dried snacks and preserving foods. The COSORI dehydrator packs some serious drying power into a sleek stainless steel package. With 6 spacious trays, you can dry large batches of fruits, veggies, herbs, and jerky all at once. The 600-watt motor and upgraded airflow tech mean your snacks will be ready faster than ever. Precise temperature control lets you dial in the perfect setting between 95 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit for different foods. You can also set it and forget it with the 48-hour timer because the auto shutoff gives you peace of mind. Cleanup is a breeze too, since the trays are dishwasher safe. Noise won't be an issue with this whisper quiet machine. At under 48 decibels, you can run it overnight without disturbing your sleep. The brushless motor also means it's built to last through many batches of dried goodies. You'll get everything needed to start dehydrating right away: 6 trays, a mesh screen, fruit roll sheet, and recipe book with 50 ideas to try. Additional accessories are available separately to expand your options even further. Safety features like overheat protection make this a reliable choice. Similarly, the food-grade stainless steel construction ensures your snacks stay contaminant-free. Whether you're a dehydrating newbie or seasoned pro, this COSORI model delivers consistent results for all your dried food needs. And so, those are the best food dehydrators on the market today. Although I have my personal favorites, you can't go wrong with any of these top-rated dehydrators. Let me know in the comments which product is your favorite. If you found these food dehydrator reviews helpful, please give the video a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well.